honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is all my crafty friends doing today? My beautiful crafty friends, we're going to be making a really easy, quick, and fun little project to give as a nice little Halloween gift to anyone. Maybe your family, maybe your co-workers, maybe you're a teacher and you want to give this to your students. Maybe you're having like a Halloween gathering. You want to make some little favors for your guests. This is such a cute idea that you can create to give away to your family and friends. I'm going to show you guys how I made these really fun, adorable little cups of goodies in here. And it is really super easy to create. Okay, so let me show you how to make these adorable little treat cups. So what you're going to need, I bought these little tiny I don't know how many, they don't even say the size, but they're little tiny cups at Target, and they're just super duper cute. They're like little tiny little cups for Halloween. You have other designs. I love the little pumpkin on it. I thought it was super duper cute. So I'm gonna use this to add my little candies in and create like a little treat cup. Okay, now keep in mind you can always switch this around. Maybe you want to use a regular size cup that has Halloween inspired little images. You can do that too. Obviously you're gonna need more candies, but that's not a bad idea. All right, so now that you have your little cup, what you need to actually cover your cup is going to be a little goodie bag that I bought at the Dollar Tree. They look like this. Okay, they're like these little gigantic bags, and they're clear. I'm going to use these to actually cover my little cup because I don't want my candies to fall off. So I love these. They're really inexpensive. You get like 20 in here. I used one of these little baggies for each cup because I like my cups to look kind of full. But you might be able to squeeze like half of one baggie for each one of these little treat cups. So now that we know what we're going to use, let's put this together. Well, I have here my little baggie on the side, and what I'm going to do, I have a whole bunch of these to create because I'm making these for work, and I have a whole bunch more to do, but I'm just going to give you a general idea so that you guys can maybe work on these little projects for your family and friends. Okay, so to my goodie bag, I'm going to cut the bottom part of my goodie bag. Okay, I'm going to cut it with a scissor because I want both ends of these to be opened. And once you cut your ends, you should have an opening on both ends. Okay, boom. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to fill out little cups with goodies. I did it very simple. I love these Kit Kats Halloween edition snack sizes I have here. I put one of these in here, and I love that the Kit Kat is orange for Halloween, so I put one of these in here. I also put one of these chewy Halloween mini Quaker little bars. These are so cute. I love these. So I've added one of these in here as well. And then I went and I added 2 Hershey's Kisses that is also the Halloween edition. These Hershey Kisses have what do you call it, like a nice little liquidy consistency inside, and it gives you like the illusion of like vampire blood. So I'm going to add 2 of these in each cup that I have here. They don't really fit, but I kind of make them fit. I squeeze them in there. Okay, so now that's really all I did to my little cups. Now, obviously, if you want to add more stuff to it, you can go right ahead. You want to add different candies, you can do that too. What you're going to do is you're going to put your little cup in the middle of your little bag. Okay, this is the easiest way I found myself to do this because, again, I have a lot of these to do and I really need the easiest and the quickest way to just go through these. So you're going to put your little cup in the center of your little baggies. Then you're going to lift it up and you're going to just basically gather them around. So you're going to gather this end and you're going to gather this end. And what you're going to do next is you're going to use some kind of twine, some kind of ribbon, or some kind of string. Doesn't really matter. Something that you can hold your baggies together. I have this orange beautiful twine that I love to use during during Halloween and fall, or like November. I love using projects. I love making projects using these this color of twine. All right, so wrap this around your little cup of goodies. Okay. And you're gonna make a nice little tight knot. And then what I use to decorate my little cup is bones. Bones! I use bones, but don't worry, it's fake bones. Just like this little mouse here, it's fake, okay? I love them though. These bones are from the Dollar Tree. I love these bones. They're so cute. And so I grabbed a whole bunch of these little bones to make some awesome projects for Halloween. I really wasn't able to use them because I've been so freaking busy with work and other stuff that I'm finding it a little bit hard to make videos for you guys, but I'm trying to manage my way on trying to put some things out for you. But I got these and I really love them, so I'm using this and I'm going to incorporate it in this little cup of delicious treats. So find a little bone. They have two sizes. They have the big bone and a small bone. I'm using the small bone. If you want to use the big one, go right ahead. Okay, so you're going to make another knot, but you're not going to fully completely knot it together. You're going to put your little bow through, and then you're going to make a really tight knot right there. You're going to make a nice little bow. Okay. And then I have these little die cuts that says Boo. Had these forever. I bought these at Hobby Lobby about 3 years ago, and I have them forever, and I just love these. I'm going to hot glue this Boo little sign onto my little bone. And I'm just gonna do it. I want my Boo sign to kind of look like this. And basically, that's it. It is such a simple project, super duper easy, super duper inexpensive, but I gotta tell you, the presentation is absolutely adorable. And FYI, if you're having like a Halloween party or like a Halloween gathering, maybe like a family gathering, this will be so adorable to put like on a little table and have your guests, you know, grab them. It's just a super duper cute idea. And they look so adorable, don't they? And so easy to make. All right, my loves. So I wanted to show you this really quick video. I'm putting these together tonight, and I just wanted to put it out there so that you guys can get some ideas if you need some. I still need to finish these over here. I'll probably do that tonight, and then I'm gonna probably bring these in tomorrow for my co-workers to have. So I hope that you guys enjoy watching this little tiny small video, but I hope that it gave you some good ideas and some good inspiration. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you so much for your wonderful comments. Bye, honey bunnies.